Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do date calculation on your Windows 11 PC. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So what you want to do, go ahead, click the Windows key on your keyboard and simple type in the calculator. Go ahead and open that. Now guys, you see the calculator can be a very powerful tool within your Windows PC. And if you click the three lines on the upper left hand side, which is the burger menu, you will be able to find quite a lot of options, one of which called the date calculator or the date calculation. So go ahead and click on that. And as you can see, you have a menu option here that says difference between dates. If you click on that, you also have add or subtract days as well. I'm going to show you how both of them work. So let's start with the first. Difference between dates. You can select the first date and you can do a second date. So let's use today as an example. And I'm going to change the date. Let's put it towards the end of the year. So let's put it at December 31st. And if I do that, you can see the difference is 5 months and 2 days, which is 155 days. So very easy. And you can even go back in time. So you can always go ahead and select today. If you go all the way back, let's say I would like to know today's date, which is July 29, but I would like to choose how many days it was at the beginning of the year. So let's do January 1st. And as you can see, it was 6 months and 4 weeks, 210 days. And that's how much days have gone in the year so far. So if you would like to switch now to the other option that says add or subtract days, you can easily do that. And you can add and you can do the subtract. So you can choose if I would like to add 1 year, if I would like to add, for example, 1 year and let's say 7 months, or let's put it like 6 days, you can see that will be August 7th, 2025. Right? You can do the subtract. Let's do the same. And as you can see, it will go back to May 26, 2022. So this is easy guys. If you're looking for something like this, go ahead and check out this feature within the calculator on Windows 11. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.